Hello and welcome to another short video. This one will be very short. I will just show some shooting algorithm I've been working on when the enemy will shoot at the player from a probability calculated from the distance. So the result is not so realistic perhaps. So I'll just I will show you. Okay. No one is shooting. Get a little bit closer. Oh, there's. So there's a lot of shots. When I'm very close, there's a lot of shots. So it's not really. It's not really intelligent behavior because they don't avoid my shots or they don't relate to my shots in a way. So I don't know. Well, just an experiment. All right. See you in a week or so. Bye.